everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say I cannot find my microphone. I have no idea why. I have a feeling it's right in front of my face and I'm just like not seeing it. So hopefully the audio is okay in this intro. If not, I apologize. Anyways, today I have a spring get ready with me for you, and I love filming get ready with me videos, and I hope that you guys enjoy this one too. And tonight I'm actually going to dinner. My boyfriend and I are meeting up with Michaela, Cody, and Jessica Neistat and her husband because they are in town, so I thought that it would be really nice to go to dinner with them tonight, so that's why I wanted to film myself getting ready. It is a very easy makeup look. It's super simple, and I also wanted to show you guys how I usually do my hair for things like this. This is a very like go-to hairstyle for me, and as always I'm using cruelty-free products, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting that subscribe button below this video, and if you are already subscribed, you can hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload, but totally up to you. You can also follow me on all my social media as well as Dote. The Dote shopping app is literally like my favorite app of all time at the moment, so if you don't have it, definitely download it, follow me there because I have giveaways all the time. So anyways, if you guys want to see this spring get ready with me, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my skin with the Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer. This is the first time I've used it. I actually really liked it. It's like one of the pore filling ones. And then I'm going to move straight on into concealing underneath my eyes, and I've been obsessed with using the Nude by Nature concealer underneath my eyes because it is very dewy and hydrating, and my skin is usually pretty dry underneath my eyes, so I really love how this looks. And then I will use the Bare Minerals BareSkin concealer for the rest of my face, so any redness like around my nose or any blemishes or anything, this is what I like to use for that. And then I will just blend everything out with this blending sponge, and then I'll move on into foundation. And I love the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation, and I love how this foundation looks on my skin. It's so flawless and it actually lasts for a really long time. And then I'm also blending it out with the same blending sponge. This one is from the Body Shop. I love it, especially for underneath the eyes because on one side is super pointy. And then I will set everything in place with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. I love to set the concealer with the Bye Bye Pores powder because it never looks cakey, and then I just go ahead and dust the rest of it around my face. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using my favorite Brow Wiz pencil from Anastasia. This is in the shade Medium Brown, and I find like it's the perfect shade for my brows. I feel like it's better than any other shade that I've used in the past, and I love the formula of this brow pencil. It's such like a perfect combination of like waxy and creamy at the same time. Anyways, I love it so much. And then I will also set them in place with my Essence Lash and Brow Gel. As always, you guys probably know this by now. And then I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So I love the Tartelette eyeshadow palette because all of the shades are so versatile. So I'm taking the shade Force of Nature, and I'm going to apply this all over my entire eyelid space as well as into the crease. And this is just going to give a wash of color underneath the color that I'm going to use next, and that color is called Natural Beauty. It's sort of a taupey mauve color, and all of these eyeshadows are matte. I wanted all of the eyeshadow to be matte except for what I will use in the center in a little bit, but this is just going right onto my lid space and kind of just packing it on close to my lash line and then blending it out into the crease because I still want to have a little bit of that warmer shade underneath. So then I'm going to go back into the first shade and I'm going to apply that right onto my bottom lash line just to kind of connect all of the colors together, make it look a little bit more cohesive. And then I also just wanted to define my bottom lash line a little bit so that there was some shadow there. And on top of that eyeshadow, I wanted to apply some highlighter. So this is a highlighter from Stila. It is one of my favorites, and this gives a kind of glossy appearance. So I wanted to give the effect of like a glossy lid, but without having to use actual gloss because that can be kind of uncomfortable. So I'm just packing it on to the center of my lid as well as into the inner corner of my eyes to give a little bit of a highlight. I think it looks really pretty. So I'm going to finish off with some mascara on my bottom lashes only because if you didn't notice, I do have amazing lash extensions on my top lashes. I get them done now by Wildfire Lash on Instagram. Definitely check her out. I'll have it listed in the description box below if you're in the Vancouver area. She's amazing. But I am going to add a pop of pink blush to my cheeks because I really like that fresh kind of pink cheek look in the spring. And then of course I will go back into my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten, and this is just going to go right onto my cheekbones cheekbones and on the tip of my nose, just to kind of give like a little glow. I love this kind of look. This is my favorite kind of look. I love dewy looking skin, so yeah, just highlighting. And then I will add a little bit of lipstick. This is one of the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. I think this shade is called Naked, I'm pretty sure, and I'm just patting it onto the center of my lips with my fingers as well to kind of blend it out and give a little bit of like a rosy undertone. And then I'm using one of the new Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. This one is called Midnight Cowgirl. It's amazing. Definitely suggest picking it up. And then I always set my face with my Urban Decay Chill makeup setting spray, and I like to dab a beauty blender or blending sponge over top just to kind of set down any powdery finish, and that's what the finished makeup look looks like. And then I will show you guys quickly how I do my hair. I like to add in a little bit of dry shampoo, and my favorite one at the moment is from Amika. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Smells amazing. It's cruelty free. I also really love the Aveda dry shampoo as well, and I like to curl my hair in sections. Lately I curl my hair with a curling wand. Sometimes I do it with a straightener, but I do really like the wider barrel on the Nude curling wand, so I decided to use that. And I just wrap my hair in different directions, basically all around my head. And again, I like to do it in sections because I find it easier that way, and I can make sure that I'm not missing anything. But I do have a full tutorial on my channel on how I like to curl my hair with a straightener and a curling wand, so I will go ahead and like list it up in the corner in the little eye info bar thing. You guys will see it pop up. And then I will finish off with some hairspray. This is the Air Control hairspray from Aveda. It's amazing. I usually focus most of it just on the very top to kind of like tame any flyaways, and then just briefly spray it everywhere else so that it stays. And that's it for the hair. So that's it for my spring get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you want any other types of spring videos, or if I should start preparing for summer videos, because I'm really excited for summer to get here. It's just now starting to get nice where I live, so I'm game for anything. Also, check out my Instagram for a bunch of pics from Coachella that I went to this past weekend. It was so fun, and I did go with Dote, so I'm super thankful for that. And yeah, if you guys want to see like what I wore, just check out my Instagram. Other than that, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!